things, or what trends are you seeing in innovation around the design, the process of interior design?
Well, yeah, digital tools have been changing the way we develop projects, definitely. There's been a lot of development in terms of automation and the process in which we handle design, interior design, and space planning. But particularly what's interesting about space planning and interior design is that there's a lot of data and a lot of input that you have to bring into the design, and all that will change, obviously, and innovate. So one of the automation tools, for instance, that one uses is in egress finding, and particularly speaking from a faculty point of view. I've been a faculty at SVA and New York City College of Technology for about 11 years now, and with Merit for about 2 years. And it doesn't matter where you are, you can implement a lot of that technology. It's just you have to have the experience and the courage to move forward. So in terms of space planning, there's egress wayfinding tools, like some of the things that Joe mentioned. There's a lot of tools out there that clash detection in terms of programming, but some of them are really assisting and aiding in terms of design, but also production and obviously administration. So some of the things in design, I've noticed that part of faculty is really the scale of the project and the design and the difficulty in which students have sort of understanding and percepting the space. And so we've implemented a lot of virtual reality, which came from the gaming industry, and this is talk about 1970s, so it went quite back. But so it's quite interesting to actually step into the environment and make all those design changes as you're looking at, as you're kind of in this space and experiencing and saying, oh my God, that door is in the wrong place, or so you're making all these decisions in the virtual world, and all of that obviously came from the innovation technology. So it's not just the automation, it's not just the process and the developing tools, but really there's a lot going on in terms of how we tailor each particular problem to each solution to a particular problem. So it's not just a general question. You have to take each problem and figure out which tools are best for this particular problem. And again, the tools are getting much better at every point.